जय महाराष्ट्र. जय महाराष्ट्र.
हॅलो सर.
हॅलो
सर तुमच्याशी हँडशेक करायचा होता.
हाय गाइस, हाउ यू?
नमस्कार रितेश सर.
नमस्कार.
मला असा प्रश्न विचारायचा आहे की आपण टीमचं नाव जे वीर मराठी घेतलंय, तर कदाचित बाहेरच्या राज्यातही आपले मॅचेस होत असतील, तर आपल्याला पब्लिकचा या वीर मराठी नावावरून पूर्ण सपोर्ट भेटतो का?
वीर मराठी त्या प्रत्येक राज्यातली एक टीम आहे. कन्नडाची एक टीम आहे, कर्नाटका बुलडोझर्स, चेन्नईची आहे, चेन्नई रायनोज. तर प्रत्येक राज्यात त्यांना सपोर्ट करणारे त्यांची लोक आहेत. आणि आपल्या पुण्यात तुम्ही असाल तर मग सपोर्टची काय करू?
जय महाराष्ट्र. रितेश भैया.
जय महाराष्ट्र.
Are you switching your career from actors to cricket?
First of all, I feel every person. अरे मराठीतच बोलतो बा. प्रत्येक व्यक्ती, प्रत्येक मुलाचं स्वप्न असतं की क्रिकेट खेळावं. मला वाटतं की बरेच लोक आहेत, जन्म होताच हातात बॅट येते, बॉल येते आणि आपण खेळायला लागतो. त्यानंतर नाही, नंतर येतो किती वर्षानंतर, 10 वर्ष काय करत होता मग? मोठ्या खेळली का?
सर मला असं वाटतं की तुम्ही लातूरच्या, मी पण लातूरचा आहे.
अरे वा, माझा गावाला बाबा.
सर तुम्ही क्रिकेटबद्दल अगोदर खूप सिरियस होता सर, असं मला वाटत होतं. कारण लातूरमध्ये अशी अफवा होती की तुम्ही क्रिकेट करिअर करत होता.
लातूर आमचं आहे, तिथं फार अफवा असतात. नाही, मी शाळेत क्रिकेट खेळायचो, कॉलेजमध्ये खेळायचो. मला कधीही ॲक्टर व्हायचं नव्हतं, हे ॲक्सिडेंटली ॲक्टर झालं. मला आर्किटेक्ट व्हायचं होतं आणि मी आर्किटेक्ट आहे. मी आजही आर्किटेक्चरचं काम करतो. मी शाहरुख खानचं ऑफिसची बिल्डिंग डिझाईन केली आणि सध्या करण जोहरचं घर करतो. म्हणून शूटिंग संपली की साईट होती, साईट संपली की शूटिंग. आता क्रिकेट ग्राउंडवर.
Hello sir.
हाय.
Which is your favorite team personally?
फेवरेट टीम?
इंडिया.
Cricket team in CCL or otherwise?
CCL.
CCL. Okay, I'll tell you. Favorite team in the world is the Indian team. Favorite team in IPL because of Sachin Tendulkar. And the other team I support is Kolkata Knight Riders because of Shah Rukh Khan, because I'm a huge fan of his and he's a dear friend of mine, so I support that team. And favorite team in CCL is Veer Marathi. I would want and I would pray and I would play hard for Veer Marathi to win. If not Veer Marathi, then Mumbai Heroes. Thank you.
I have a request. My school students, mostly the teenagers, I would like to have a message from you for them to inspire I'll have it. Inspire them for your cricket area and your acting area, please.
Hi, how are you doing? Doing good? You know, one thing I just want to tell you that when I was in school, I used to be dressed exactly like you. I just didn't have the tie. And I felt really bad. So I used to go to my father and get his tie and try to wear it. And I still can't wear a tie. But do you actually tie a knot, or it's like a clip behind? You tie a knot? Oh, wow, you guys are good, yeah? So it's really great meeting you guys. And I just want to tell you that education, this is for everyone actually. By far, education is the most important thing in your life, and these are the most important days of your life. As you cross your days, as you go from school to college, you look back and say, wow, what a wonderful time I had in school. I miss those days. And when you are here, all you can think is, how can I cross over to college and be able to wear whatever clothes I want to wear and do whatever I want to do. But when you go, you say, yaar, school ke din kitne achhe the yaar. Shayad maza aise je. Then sometimes you think, arey, remember that professor kiti marla tha na mala tani? But at this point, आपल्याला वाटतं की बाबा चलो फार त्रास होतोय. These professors are unnecessarily torturing us. That's what we feel. But this is for our own good. This is because of their own training and the goodness that will make you better people to face life, which you won't understand. But all my best to all you guys, that these are the years, make the most of it. Enjoy all this time, make the most of it. Go out there. It's a big world, and this is a protected family. This is a good school. They are good teachers, and they'll help you become better people. They'll help you become better students. And once you come to this side in college, from here I passed on to this. And wow, what a blast I had in college. And eventually, when I left college, I used to feel, nantar sangto Marathi tham jara. I used to feel that these are the days are not going to come back. Make the most of it. Even studies, even exams, all the exams that we fail, all the exams that we pass. I have had 22 KTs in my architecture college. 22 KTs. And trust me, I gave all 22 and passed in all 22 in one attempt. So it's not about failure. Everyone fails. It's about how well you stand after that failure. That's what's important, and that's what will make you what you are. I think everyone has a good year, everyone has a bad year. You will fail, but the important thing is that you have to believe in yourself that you will rise after the failure. And I want to wish you all the best, and in your future life, in whatever endeavors that you take ahead in life. And just enjoy these days, because once life takes on and you get busy in your work, you'll always look back and say that I wish I had done much more in college. I wish I had done much more in school. So never look back and regret. Make the most of your life. Good luck.
One question. Excuse me, sir. Sir.
सिंहगड कर्नाटकच्या फेसबुकला आपण एक कॉन्टेस्ट घेतली होती. त्यातल्या 2 जणांना रितेश देशमुखला भेटायची संधी मिळणार आहे. नावं मी जाहीर करतो. संकेत आहेर आणि दर्शन पठारे. त्यांनी 5 मिनिटांनी CTC पाशी यावं आणि वानखेडे सरांना भेटायचं. सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ सिंहगड कॅम्पस लोणावळा, I would like to extend my thanks to Mr. Ritesh Deshmukh for making it convenient to stop at Lonavala, and it's our standing invitation that whenever you pass through, you can get here and discuss with you. Thank you very much.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to call a few kids up here. Okay, slowly. Wait, you come up. Come, stand there. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll let the teachers decide. Send me 10 kids up, please. Send me. No, the teachers have to decide. And send me 10 little girls and 10 little boys. Okay. Come. All of you stand here in the front line. Face the audience. Come on, Ivy, come. Thank you. Okay, listen, take it. Mic on, spread out. Don't stick to me, spread out. Come. थोड़ा टिप्स के दो हवा से मराठी घेते तिकडं okay good can you have a song here you will dance right now you will dance let's go Meghali will dance. Can we have the song, please? And I will see you at the stadium. See you.